guy's doing the cool dog tricks and all that.
Where is he?
I'm not here.
Where are you, Mr. Airplane?
Oh, there he is too, over here, doing all what I said. Nice.
Dude, you videotape.
Is it working? Is it on?
It's on.
Don't you have a zoom on this thing?
No.
What kind of sucky phone is this?
I don't know. It's kind of a sucky phone. Because yours is any better.
My camera's better for sure. He's stalling up there. I don't know if it's seeing it. Well, that's amazing.
Oh yeah, because he has to fake like he's falling down, doesn't he?
No, he doesn't fake it. He goes as high as he can, and then the plane begins to slide.
No, he fakes like he's gonna wipe out though.
Ah.
Don't drive, please. I wonder if he's just doing tricks for our amusement. Tomorrow and Sunday.
Hello. Hey. Very bad.
Want me to get any more footage or?
No, it's good.
All right.